Um,
So, not bad, huh?
let's get both of us on here.
What, you and I?
Yeah.
Really? You would?
Hi. Mine.
I need to get braces again, I think.
Yeah.
At least I got a quick little favor to ask you for.
To
Can
ask
I
me
borrow
for.
your phone?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
Your telephone?
Yeah. Hey,
You? And just dialing a
should
number.
go home. It's kind
Just be quick. Is it? Can you put it here? Is it ringing?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Just.
Who am I calling?
It's just a friend of mine. Just say hello.
Just in front of yours.
Yeah. Just to say hello.
Hi. It's Lisa. Okay.
What happened?
They just hung up on me.
Oh, but he picked up, right?
Yeah.
Somebody picked up? Okay, perfect.
Who is
Okay.
that? Okay.
I want you to take a look at this building right here. Please. Baby. Come here. Baby, will you be my wife? Yes? Yes? You chopped it. Put those down. Here it is. That's how it goes. Lisa, yes?
Yes.
Okay, baby. One more thing. Watch again. Watch that building.
Baby, how did you get them in? That was so cool.
I love you, baby. I love you so much.